Prevention is better than cure. Band-aid. For a levee. Levees and breaches belong together. Historic breaches of levees are engraved in the collective memory of the population along the European coasts. In the Hedwige-Prosperpolder, a living laboratory for flood defenses research was created. With a rich history of floods and breaches, this polder is now itself a life-size test location for water professionals. This provides even more insight into the actual strength of levees, including emergency measures. Centuries of experience and an increasingly scientific approach has advanced design and construction of levees. Stronger, higher, smarter. But breaches remain a possibility. Overtopping of the levee is one of the possible failure mechanisms. The floodwaters become so high that it spills over the crest. Overtopping of the crest is extensively tested. For example, how well can the grass cover resist water flow and prevent damage caused by overtopping? In addition, overtopping tests are conducted at the exact location where damage has been found.
And so at that moment we saw cliff erosion. We have let it evolve for less than 2 minutes, but this is the result. We cannot go any further because of the distance to the crest of the levee, and you see there are still some parts collapsing.
The entire inspection cycle, from visual inspection to emergency measures, is examined in this living lab. And when a test results in damage to the levee, various emergency measures can be tested and compared immediately. The levee will be repaired. Levee first aid will be applied to stabilize the damage. For example, different anchoring techniques can be compared with the traditionally used staples. These staples are easy to make and simple to use, but they can also become undone quickly. By testing new products and solutions, in a real situation and over a long period of time, advantages and disadvantages can be properly identified. Even advanced anchoring techniques are tested. On December 14, 2020, 2 damages were repaired that were caused during overtopping tests. At both locations, the gra cover and subsoil was damaged by foxes.
Waarom we hier staan is omdat het moet. We moeten dit gewoon gaan herstellen.
The reason we are here is because we have to repair this damage. This is not a party outing, but hard labor. André will be on the Belgium side, and Anko on the Dutch part.
En jullie bepalen wat er gedaan
You
moet
two
worden.
will be in charge and explain to your teams what and why.
Ja, we staan hier bij Davy Damage.
We are here at the location called Davy's Damage.
Dat gaan we doen door er zeil overheen te leggen.
We will cover up the hole.
Ja. Oké.
We will use a foil to cover it up and staple this to the underground. After covering and securing the foil, we will make a wave overtopping defense on the crest. So in case of waves overtopping, the water will be diverted away from the damage. In this way the levee is protected during a storm.
En dat is eigenlijk de kern
This
van
is the
deze
essence
oplossing.
of this emergency
Dat we
repair.
daar waar het
We do
sterk
not
is,
touch the strong undamaged parts, and alleviate stress at the damaged parts of the levee. Finally, we will finish this band-aid with sandbags.
En daarnaast wordt
The
het
damage itself cannot be secured with staples, so we only use sandbags here.
zelf kunnen we geen pinnen inslaan, dus daar gebruiken we ook zandzikken voor. Het is, zeker als ik naar de tijd kijk, reuze
If I
mee.
look back at the time it took for this repair, I am satisfied. At the start we had help from Team 1, who helped out with transporting the sandbags up. Plus we could use the stairs to efficiently transport the bags up by hand.
Konden krijgen zonder mechanische middelen.
What we learned was that EPDM foil is a very good foil to use, but heavy. So we needed a lot of manpower to get it on the levee.
Vereende krachten hem naar boven moeten tillen. Team! Dankjewel!